Hi guys, a very good morning to all of you. And see, again I'm back to teach you English Standard 3, Chapter 8 and Lecture number 2. So we will see that after he described the monster, described himself with poem, then how the mon has drawn his picture. Then after he drawn the monster picture, now hold up the paper, the monster said. The monster said that you just hold the paper like that. Then I will look at it as if I am looking into a mirror. Then I will appear. Then the monster said that you just hold the paper. If I look the same like you have drawn, like a mirror, it's look like a mirror, then I will appear in front of you. So Mon held up the paper and said the monster. Then the Mon he just hold the paper, drawing paper, and the monster said that the monster said startled to see his drawing suddenly turn into a live creature. Then the Mon he just draw the picture, it suddenly turned into a live creatures, means suddenly it started to show himself. The monster he started to show himself. Oh wow, what have you done? What have you done? Wailed the monster. Then the monster he just replied that wow, what have you done? He just said very proudly, in very pain, he said that wow, you have done my picture, it's very good. Why, what's the matter? This is not how I should look, wept the monster. I'm fearsome. You have made me look funny. Then the monster he replied that what's the matter? What happened? Then the monster replied that this is not how I looked. How should I look? But you just changed my all pictures so that someone will not fear from me. They will make me funny. They will look. It looks like a funny. Then some people are not feel very fearless from me. I have drawn you exactly as you described yourself, said Mon. Miffled. I'm supposed to be purple. Then the Mon he said that I have drawn exactly the same you have described me. Then I am supposed to be a purple. Oh yes, sorry, I ran out of purple. Then the monster said that oh sorry that I ran out from the purple. Why are my legs so thin? Then the monster asked that why my legs are thin. Then these are bamboos. That's what you said, bamboo's leg. Then the monster said that why my legs are so thin. Then the Mon replied that that's the leg, it's look like a bamboo. You have just said in your poem that bamboo legs. These are not bamboos, these are drumsticks. Then the monster replied that it's not look like a bamboos, they are like a drumstick. If I don't watch where I am going, some cook will pluck them off and make a sambar of them. Then the monster said that if I don't watch that where I am going, then someone will pluck my legs and they will make a sambar of it, or maybe some animals which has horn like this, and which animals has horns like this. Oh, were they supposed to be animal horns? I thought you meant the kind of horns that auto rickshaws have. Then the Mon replied that why they supposed to animal horns here? Then the Mon replied that oh, I thought that it was the horn of auto rickshaw. You mean I'm going to walking around with auto rickshaw horn? Oh whoa. Then the monster replied that you mean that I will go and I will walk along to the auto rickshaw because of his horn? No, whoa. Then you complain too much, said Mon. Then Mon said that you are complaining too much. After that you have described and then I have drawn your picture and you have started complaining too much. so many millions of children in this world, and I have got to get the one children who can't draw, sobbed the monster. Then the monk replied that there are many millions of children in this world, but I have the only one children who can not draw, the sobbed of the monster. Then go find out other children, said Mon. Then the Mon said that okay, then go out and find out the other children. He just drawing down his crayons, and he said in very angrily, he said to the monster, I don't ask you to crawl under my bed. Go away and find some great painter. Go and hide under Picasso's bed. Then the moon, he just replied that I don't have said you that you just crawl and you come under my bed. You just came by your own. So it's better that you can go and you can hide in some great painter and go. And then he said that go and hide into Picasso's bed. Picasso's, he was a very famous Spanish painter. Then he said just go and just hide into a Picasso's bed, then he can make your own picture and your good picture. I can't. No, now that you have drawn me, I have to stay with you. Then the monster replied that I can't go with another person because you have drawn me, then I have to stay with you. Forever, asked Mon, alarmed. Then Mom said that you will stay forever. Forever, noodly the monster gloomy, that's the rule. Then the monster replied that yes, I have to stay with you forever because it's the monster rule. Oh no, said monster. Then monster said that oh no. Then the monster replied yes, exactly, you have to stay with me and I will stay with you as a pet. So here again monster rule 54 is there that a monster has to stay forever with the human who has given in it a body. Then the monster rule is there that monster has to stay forever that whose the human has given its a body shape. Also the rules number 71, 228 and 364. So your chapter is completed. I hope you guys are it's interesting, and I hope that you guys have enjoyed this chapter. So I will give you a few words. In your this chapter you have 8 words, and meaning is also there, so you can write down the same all 8 meanings. Rather than I will give you few words so that you can find out the meaning from dictionary and you can write down it in your fair copy. So your 8 word is there in your book, and from 9th word I am just going to tell you. It's squawk, or write down the spelling. S as in sun, Q as in queen, U as an umbrella, E as an ear, A as an apple, and K as an kite. So your word comes like SQUEAK, squeak. Next word is horrible. Write down the spelling. H as an horse, O as an orange, R as an rose, again R as an rat, I as an ice cream, B as an bat, L as in lion, and E as an ear. So your word comes like HORRIBLE, horrible. Next word is peach. P as in potato, I as in ice cream, T as in tomato, C as in car, and H as in horse. So your word comes like PITCH, peach. Next word is skiz. Write down the spelling. S as in sun, K as in kite, I as in ice cream, and S as in sun. So your word comes like SKIS, skiz. Next word is okay, then your next word is gloomy. So write down the spelling. G as in girl, L as in lion, U as in umbrella, M as in mango, L as in leopard, and Y as in yellow. So your word comes like GLUMLY, gloomy. So yeah, only that much word is there. You can find out the meaning from dictionary and you can write down it in your fair copy. Tomorrow again I will back to teach you the next chapter. Till that, take care of yourself. Thank you. Have a nice day and bye bye.